Mais quelques phrases qui do parler anglais. M'pa faire confiance.
I don't trust you.
M'pa faire confiance.
I don't trust you.
M'pa kwe ou.
I don't believe you.
M'pa kwe ou.
I don't believe you.
M'pa konnen ou.
I don't know you.
M'pa konnen ou.
I don't know you.
M'pa we ou.
I don't see you.
M'pa we ou.
I don't see you.
M'pa bezwen ou.
I don't need you.
M'pa bezwen ou.
I don't need you.
M'pa vle ou.
I don't want you.
M'pa vle ou.
I don't want you.
What up, this is Teacher Yorlens. Je vais présenter nos langages. Langage, c'est une application gratis qui permet d'apprendre anglais, espagnol, portugais et l'autre langue. L'application est disponible sur Play Store ou App Store. Link là dans le commentaire, cliquez sur lui pour capable télécharger l'application ça pour capable apprendre langue ça yo. Après, pas hésiter à partager link là avec une famille ou bien un ami pour les capable apprendre même j'ai ensemble avec vous.
M'pa kompren ou.
I don't understand you.
M'pa kompren ou.
I don't understand you.
M'pa pale ave ou.
I don't talk to you.
M'pa pale ave ou.
I don't talk to you.
M'pa akize ou.
I don't blame you.
M'pa akize ou.
I don't blame you.
M'pa rayi ou.
I don't hate you.
M'pa rayi ou.
I don't hate you.
M'pa reme ou.
I don't love you.
M'pa reme ou.
I don't love you.
M'pa fe ou mal.
I don't hurt you.
M'pa fe ou mal.
I don't hurt you.
M'pa sonje ou.
I don't remember you.
M'pa sonje ou.
I don't remember you.
M'pa tande ou.
I don't hear you.
M'pa tande ou.
I don't hear you.
M'pa deranje ou.
I don't disturb you.
M'pa deranje ou.
I don't disturb you.
M'pa mayen ou.
I don't touch you.
M'pa mayen ou.
I don't touch you.
M'pa dwe ou.
I don't owe you.
M'pa dwe ou.
I don't owe you.
M'pa mande ou. M'ap ten repons sa nan komantere.